Oh, hello there. I didn't see you there. Why don't you just love this time of year? The leaves are changing colors, the mornings are getting colder, and you're getting ready for Thanksgiving dinner. You're busy, in a good way, spending time with the ones you love. Well, I'm not here to talk about any of that. I'm here to talk about PaulB Hardware's Black Friday sale event. Now, to keep up to date with all these hip new trends the kids are talking about these days, we decide to extend our sale length to include most of the month of November. Now, to alleviate any confusions that this may arise, our talented set team has put together this little chart for you. As you can see, the sale will now run for
2 days? All this talk for 2 days? Bart, what is this, the 1920s?
Well, sir, we decided that Black Friday sale should actually start on Black Friday, the day after Thanksgiving.
Now that I think about it, that makes a lot more sense.
Well, in that case, enjoy the holidays with your family and the ones you love, and we'll see you on Black Friday. Bart, can we run that again?
Our wonderful set team has put together this chart. Put together this wonderful and talented set team has put together this chart for your... We keep saying talented set team. Where's the talented set team? This keeps falling over. Hey there. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you're interested in staying up to date with PaulB Hardware sales events and updates, then consider subscribing to our YouTube channel, whatever that is. Or better yet, go to paulbhardware.com. And if you enjoyed this video, you may enjoy one of these.
Herman,
Yes, Bart.
your book is upside down.